Hi, dear friends. I am your tech tour owners. Today, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. Today, I will discuss about this topic. Today's topic, our today's topic is how to make a student ID or employee's ID. Okay, let's see how will we do a student's ID or employee ID for our various purpose. Let's see. First of all, we need to open our to search this URL. This written that will the topic. Let's see. Search here. Student here will see you see in look there are so many student ID to edit and from there you have to choose anyone. You can choose anyone for your work. For example, I will choose a ID card to teach you. Let's see about this ID. Look, this ID is a basic. uh, there is um, there is everything that you want to be identified from your college or university or any other. Nobody will let's see how to create it yourself. Student ID card, it's okay. You can change it the color from there. It's as you want. It's your wish. This is the picture. You can replace it. There is the upload option. From there you can replace the picture like that. If I upload a picture not there from, let's go to Chrome and search some picture like picture of Barack Obama. Look, this is the president of United States. He was the president of United States. Let's see, we will make a ID for him. Now you should take a picture of this person for our education purposes. Okay, let's cut it. Cut, then come back again, then there upload files, then listen. We'll upload this, and this is the person we will make his ID. This is the person, and now if he is a student, that's why his name will be, we can use short name or full name as you want. That is, look that Barack Obama. Oh, use it here. Now a student ID, you can use anything of in this in that place. If I say that my ID is 2025 204567, like that, and issued on, there is 2024, you can use it anything that is you want. It's 22, it's can 26, it's can 28, as time you want. there also same. And this is no factor, there will be no problem for this. We will not editing these options. Okay, now wording ink, it's a school name. Like if you go for your school name, like my school name is like that. This is Adarsha. I will Adarsha. Okay, now next again the same way. There will be yours name in this, in that place. Like I am editing for Barack Obama, so I'll give his name Barack Obama. This will be same, this also will be same. You can change it as you want. Here will be the number, like that. My number is 3467. There will be school name or college name or university name that's you have or you are reading or studying now still. This will be city. I am a newer, that's why this will be New York City. Let's say make a student ID, and now you can easily make a student ID for you or yourself or other self. That's you need. You can also change these colors like this. You can change these colors here, this etc. you want. I am choosing it. Also this one. That's it. Then you can download it from there. Okay, that is how you can make a student ID card or employees ID card for you and your customers and etc. As you want. You can make a good and very beautiful and perfect student ID card. So that's it. That is our today's learning video editing of student ID card. See you next. See you in the next video.